Hey everyone, this is Brent Dunn from Market Unlock. I know that I haven't created content in quite a while, and I am sorry for that. Just as a quick history catch up, if you will, on where I've been. About 5 years ago now, I learned how to program, and so I focused on game development, and I ended up getting a job at a AAA game studio and was able to work there up until now, and because that was something that I've always wanted to do. Unfortunately, half a year ago, maybe a little bit more, I was experiencing some medical issues, and so I ended up stepping away from that. And since then, I have just recently began to start to play with AI more in depth, and that is what I plan on making content about going forward. Because just like pretty much everyone probably, when ChatGPT came out originally, I, like everyone else, was using it and was already blown away by it. But the models compared to just 2 years ago to what they are capable of doing now is 100x improvement. The amount of output that you can get from these AI models is so much better than it used to be, and it's just going to continuously accelerate because as more people begin to realize how to actually leverage AI, everything is going to speed up. And we likely will get to the point where these actual companies making these AI models will be using AI to make the models. And so we're just going to see rapid acceleration in these AI models. And so that's one thing that's been on my mind for a while now, is how much it's going to impact everything in our lives. And I have been telling friends and family now that they need to learn how to use AI. They need to figure out how to build a business of some sort with AI. I do not mean building an AI business in the sense of using like a ChatGPT wrapper or something like that. Any business that they can create using AI to accelerate the speed at which they can do things. Because very quickly here, we're already starting to see signs of this happening. There's constant layoffs at tech companies. I think we are going to see a lot of people in the white collar, like with white collar jobs, lose their jobs, unfortunately. And yes, some of that will be due to people losing their jobs to AI just flat out. But I think we will also start to see companies replacing people with other people that actually know how to leverage AI, because the amount of output that someone can do by using these tools properly can 50 or 100x somebody that has no idea how to use these. And so going forward, that is what I am going to be making tutorial videos on, exactly the types of stuff that I'm using. The tools are always changing, and when I create a video, it might be outdated in a few weeks, but that is just at the speed that everything is going now, so that's okay. One thing that I plan on doing is showing you the process of being able to hopefully make money with these models by building out different things. I know there's already a lot of people talking about building out SaaS applications and stuff like that with coding agents. That might be something that I try. I have definitely built internal tools to speed up my processes. However, have not just flat out launched a SaaS application, because the one thing that would concern me there is the security vulnerabilities and stuff like that. If I personally didn't actually understand the code, then yeah, I personally just wouldn't want to risk releasing an application and just having it get hacked. But that's for now. These AI models keep improving, so maybe that's something I'll do in the future. The other thing that I plan on avoiding is there's tons of YouTubers out there that every single new AI model that comes out, they want to tell you how great that model is and all that. That's completely fine. As new AI models come out, I will definitely adapt my workflow. Most of my workflow has remained relatively the same. My next video will be a tutorial, and hopefully it's something that you guys haven't considered or tried yet. It's definitely something that has been making me money already, and I honestly believe that tons of people can leverage this for all sorts of niches and opportunities. And so I don't really have concerns about anyone being able to know how to do this and making it not valuable anymore. I think the larger concerns are just at the rate at which things are changing, they won't be valuable in the near future. I think we're going to get to the point, and I apologize for rambling, but you guys know me in terms of my thoughts and everything, is I don't even think in the future, we're actually going to have websites or applications or anything like that for the majority of things that we currently rely on the computer for. I think we are very quickly going to get to the point where I have an AI agent on my phone or whatever, right? If I needed a plumber, for example, currently I would have to sit there and Google it, have to find plumbers, have to call them up, have to schedule it and all that. I think in the very near future, I will have an AI model or an AI assistant. I will say, hey, my toilet's broke, I need a plumber. And the AI agent will automatically contact all the other plumbers, agents, know their exact pricing, their exact availability, all that stuff, and automatically just do that in the back end kind of deal. So I know this is on a rant at the moment, it's just something I've been thinking about on how quickly everything is going to change. If you are interested in learning more about the types of stuff that I'm building with AI, please subscribe to the channel. If you're not interested in AI, and you are following me, this is the direction I'm going, yeah, I guess unsubscribe in that case. I'd love to hear what everyone's been up to. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments down below, and hopefully we'll talk soon.